Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today I am making Firni. It is rice pudding and I will fill it in these cute clay dishes. First wash them, then let them dry and they are ready to fill, inshallah. To make Firni, I have 5 cups of milk in pan which is cooking on slow flame, and I have more 2 cups of milk here. Also rice flour 10 tablespoons, sugar 1.5 cups, Kewra water half cup. I'm using this one. Let's mix rice flour in 2 cups of milk now. Mix it with a whisk. Now add sugar in the pan and mix it in the milk. Cook it on high flame until it starts boiling. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It will take 4 minutes to boil. Then add mixture of rice flour and milk in it and keep the flame low. Mix it once, then add it in the milk. Keep on stirring. Cook it on medium-low flame. When it starts to thicken up after 3 minutes, then add Kewra water and cook it on medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Alhamdulillah, it is ready. To check it, drop small amount of Firni on a plate. If it stays there, then it is done. Let me show you. See, it does not move. It stays there. Alhamdulillah, Firni is ready. So let's fill the clay dishes with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start to fill these beautiful clay dishes with Firni. Mashallah, they look so pretty. Fill them to the edges. Then we will decorate them, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I have 2 tablespoons of pistachio finely chopped, 2 tablespoons raisins, wash them and then dry them. Half teaspoon of yellow color, mix in half teaspoon of water to decorate them, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will decorate them, inshallah. Spread some pistachio on each dish and press it a little bit. Then put 3 to 4 raisins on each dish. Now mark yellow color on each Firni. With your fingertip. Mashallah, they look so tempting. Keep them in fridge for an hour, then enjoy it with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very delicious Firni in so pretty clay dishes are ready. Enjoy them and share the recipe with others. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.